No matter where somebody stands on global warming or that whole issue, pollution is a problem. I don't care who you are or what your scientific belief system is. We know that that's bad. We need to get rid of it. Is there a way to get totally clean energy that's sort of bullseye of all answers with no pollution and unlimited energy? So our first question was, where's the energy? And there's only one answer, and that's right here. A few miles underneath us is unlimited power, unlimited energy. A few miles down, deeper you go, the hotter it gets. You take that energy and you bring it up. Unlimited, pollution-free. Is there a way to bring up just the energy, just the heat?
You can't use copper wire because it'll melt. So we found this material called graphene.
Graphene is a substance that is really made out of graphite, which is like pencil lead, right? And what they discovered was that if they take one molecule layer at a time off this graphite, that's called graphene, okay? And it has incredible properties.
It's 100 times better conductor than copper. It's lighter than air, stronger than steel.
It transfers heat really efficiently.
If you put 100 degrees here, you get 100 on the other side instantly. In the middle, it's completely cool.
So the heat that you put in gets all the way there. Whether you go 10 feet or you go miles, you could bring up unlimited energy from deep underground to the surface, pollution-free. And so I approached the graphene guys and I said, could you make me a string? And they looked at me like, why would we make a string? You know, I said, look, a string is the most rudimentary technology, right? If you have a string of something, you can make cloth, you can make walls, you can make rope, you can make a cable. So if you make me a string, I'll put those strings together and make a cable. Then I'll put the cable underneath the ground. And that cable will bring up the heat. And so at first they were a little wary because it seemed too simple.
They have already made the first set of ropes for us, the short ones. They've tested it and found it to work perfectly fine. We are using that and working at Stage 2 in Michigan. Stage 2 has a platform we are building where we'll test everything out. And then that product will be commercially manufactured and propagated from Singapore.
This would be the greatest invention maybe ever. Because if you can get unlimited energy from underneath the earth, pollution-free, that's everything. That's everything. You have no pollution, you have no fossil fuel issues, you have no, CO2 coming out, greenhouse gases, none of that. All of that is gone. Here's the answer. Yet no money, no research, no resources are being put to this. So this is a sort of a teaser to say, look, guys, in your country, you want energy security? Do this. You have unlimited energy without having to import anything. Now, some countries are not going to like this very much because those who export, fossil fuels are going to be pretty upset with me. But I've kind of transferred all this technology, all of our thoughts to Singapore so that there's a place that's neutral that is then going to give it to the rest of the world. And so this is to encourage people to say, look, if you want energy security, put resources in this.